Hey everyone, today we're diving into the ultimate showdown between the Xiaomi 14 Ultra and the Samsung S24 Ultra. We'll be comparing these two powerhouses in terms of design, camera, performance, and more. Let's get started. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra boasts a sleek, modern design with a stunning edge-to-edge display. On the other hand, the Samsung S24 Ultra features a premium, refined design with a curved screen and a sophisticated camera module. When it comes to the camera, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra impresses with its versatile quad-camera setup, delivering exceptional photo and video quality. Meanwhile, the Samsung S24 Ultra offers a cutting-edge camera system with advanced zoom capabilities and pro-grade video recording. In terms of performance, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon processor, ensuring seamless multitasking and gaming. The Samsung S24 Ultra, equipped with its Exynos chipset, delivers top-tier performance and efficiency, making it a powerhouse for productivity and entertainment. There you have it! Both the Xiaomi 14 Ultra and the Samsung S24 Ultra bring remarkable features to the table. Whether you prioritize photography, design, or performance, these devices offer top-notch experiences. Stay tuned for more in-depth comparisons and tech reviews. Thanks for watching.